Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
Logic ERP comes with an amazing feature, with the help of which you can generate packing slip against respective sale order. Let us now have a glimpse of how it works. Let's create a sale order. Go to the option of Order Processing and click on Sale Order. And generate a sale order. The sale order has been generated. Let us now create a packing slip against the respective sale order that we have generated right now. Simply go to the option of Billing and click on Packing Slip. Create the packing slip of the same customer whose sale order we have just made. Select the sale order from here. You can see that the sale order we had created is displaying here. Simply select it. All the items that we have added in sale order has been retrieved here. You can scan the item quantity, as well as you can enter it manually. Enter the packing box number here. From here, you can see the current stock of your item, and you can reserve quantity against the respective customer. You can see from here how much quantity you have allocated and how much stock is still left after allocating the quantity. The advantage of making packing slip is that your sale order quantity gets reserved against the respective customer, which later helps in proper and accurate dispatch. This is how this feature wonderfully works on Logic ERP.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.